We would like to introduce the great Sanskrit poet Bhartrhari along with a few select Subhashitas from his Niti Shatakam. Bhartrhari is a great philosopher-poet who is believed to have lived sometime between 1st century BC and 5th century AD. There are several legends associated with his life. With its rich and varied experiences, his life presents a living account of transformation from a pleasure-loving king to an ascetic. He has authored 3 Shatakas, Srungara, Niti and Vairagya, each consisting of 100 slokas. They relate to the 3 major lifestyles of lover, moralist and ascetic. In them he has touched upon almost every kind of human experience and given it a beautiful poetic expression. As with many Sanskrit words, the word Niti has several meanings. A. Morality and ethics. B. Guidance, course of action. And C. Policy. According to Hindu view of life, human existence has 4-fold objectives: dharma, artha, kama, and moksha. They provide structure and meaning to human life and give us a reason to live with a sense of duty, moral obligation, and responsibility. It is to lead such a structured and meaningful life that the scriptures and the ancient writers have laid emphasis on right action based on morals and ethics. It is important to have a clear idea of what action or karma means. Karma in Sanskrit means an act that is mental or physical. It includes thinking, speaking, and doing physical acts. The word karma also refers to the consequence of the act that we call fate or destiny. The sum of the consequences of our past actions in this and previous lives.